Hello, everyone. Welcome. I'm Summer Zhao, and I'm the co-president of the Energy Innovation Network. It's our great pleasure to welcome you all to the first session of our Renewable Energy Finance program presented by the EIN. So because this is the first session, Rachel and I would like to take the first 10 minutes to give you an intro of what EIN is, and also give you an overview of the structure of the course, as the course spans several weeks. So I want to give you a sense of what is coming next and what to expect next. Get started. So EIN was founded in 2015 in Silicon Valley, and it's a global nonprofit powered by volunteers from the US, Asia, and Africa. We organize event series, conferences, and education programs like this to bring together worldwide industrial professionals, business leaders in the energy, environment, and transportation fields. We intend to build a global network, promote energy, education, innovation, and advance a more sustainable future. So this map shows a current EIN global community presence. As you can see, a lot of people are in the United States because we started there. We also have a big presence in China, Africa, and Europe. And now we have more than 2,500 members across 100 regions, and we're still expanding. So all our EIN core team are working on a volunteering basis, meaning that we all have our full-time job. Take me as an example. I work at Enphase right now on product management on renewable energy products, and previously I was at Tesla, working on products and projects. And when I was doing the renewable energy projects, a lot of them required financing and financial calculations, which are key to enable the success of the projects. So I'm very glad that you guys are also very interested in renewable energy finance, which will be very useful to learn. So this is a snapshot of the team. As you can see, it's quite diverse. They're quite diversified and coming from different backgrounds and countries. The reason I highlight this is because now you have registered and signed up for this course, you can use the EIN core team as your resources as well. Feel free to check out our bios, add us on LinkedIn, and if you see any of our experiences and industrial corporations that are interesting to you, don't be hesitant to reach out to us and ask any questions at any time. We're very happy to help. Our advisory board has leaders from the government, NGOs, and key consulting firms, and also distinguished universities. Honorable Professor Dan is also on our advisory board, having given us great guidance in the past. So thank you again, Professor Dan, for offering your time to give this lecture to our students. Very appreciated. As mentioned, in addition to the educational program, we also do annual summits, events, and online webinars. So please feel free to go to our websites and stay tuned to learn more about the future events that are going to come. Okay, so now it comes to our program, to our course. The reason we really want to make this course happen is because we believe renewable energy finance is key and is massively needed by two parts of the world. One is the energy professionals who want to do renewable energy projects, and finance is key to enable the success of the projects. And the other part is the financial experts who wants to get into the energy field, or also to anyone who's interested in this program. So next I'll have Rui Ting, our educational program director, who has done a lot of work in enabling this program, to give you an overview of the goals of this program, the structure, what is coming next, and also some logistics of today's webinar and course. Here you go, Rui Ting. Rui Ting, I think you're muting yourself.
Oh, yeah. Hi, can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, good. Hey, hi guys. And Welcome to the Renewable Energy Project Finance coursework. So the objective of this course is to provide the basic theories that to people who are interested in both energy finance and also the renewable energy field, with like real world cases in the renewable energy field, like, understand how the industry works, how what is the outlook, how to what's the future trends. And the topics we are covering includes that the basic types of renewable projects, technologies, and innovations, legal policy framework, and some future trends, and also accompanied with a case analysis on a real world project in our session 3. And Summer, can we take to next slide? Yeah, so this is basically our goal. So we wanted to develop this coursework that to let people who are interested in renewable energy and also in finance day to jointly learn more and get to know like what is changing in the field. And also we are very actively developing the new coursework. For example, we're developing the session 1 right now, it's happening, and we're developing the session 2, which will focus more on the risk management and also the actual considerations of investment and how people conduct due diligence on project consideration. And also because the whole finance world, it's like rapidly changing, that we also want to include other topics, for example, like other sustainable finance, like ESG. That's also another very hot topic. Yeah. Can we take on to another slide, Summer? Yeah, so I want to go through the course agenda with you guys. That today we have the session 1 overview of renewable energy by Professor Daniel Kamen from UC Berkeley. Thank you so much for Dan with the support. So Dan will give us the overview of renewable energy, climate goals, and how COVID-19 has some of the impacts in the field, and how smart systems and financing and infrastructure of the renewable energy. And also he will talk about a cross-border collaboration. So I think this will give us a very good foundation to understand like the following sessions. And on next weekend, that will have the session 2, the legal and policy framework for renewable energy development by Steve Weissman, also from UC Berkeley. Steve will talk more on the structure of power industry, on fundamentals of the economics regulation, on the key project contracts, for example, like also like federal regulatory agencies and policies, and also like how the difference between federal and state level policies. Yeah, so that you will have like more solid understanding of the legal and policy foundation of the renewable project financing. And the week afterwards, in the first week of March, that will have a guest speaker session by Wanning Liu, who's a senior sales engineer from Tesla. And she'll be giving more talk, sharing on what type of renewable projects she's working on Tesla with real cases, and also accompanying with our energy finance 101 material. She will be describing and also explaining some basic terms, and also sharing some of her career experience. And in session 3, the same weekend, that will have a case study on renewable energy commercial scale project finance, that by Bill Wang. He's the CEO of Energy Solar, and he will be sharing a lot more about how as developers are developing commercial scale project, and how they work on risk management and control, and what they consider on project financing models. So on session 3, we'll develop the project finance model together. They will offer Bill will offer a illustration. Then students will walk through this together in the course, and also that will have this as an assignment. So we hope, like, these 3 sessions plus 1 speaker sessions will help everybody to understand the impact of renewable energy, and also how renewable energy project financing works. Thank you.